Understanding Measure with a Cup, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase you might encounter in English, especially if you're navigating through cooking or baking recipes. We're talking about measure with a cup. This phrase might seem straightforward, but it's packed with cultural and practical nuances that are fascinating to explore. So, let's get started and uncover the layers behind this simple phrase. When you come across the instruction to measure with a cup in a recipe, it refers to using a cup measure to quantify ingredients. A cup measure is a standard unit of volume used in cooking, especially in recipes from countries like the United States. However, it's important to note that a cup, in this context, does not refer to just any cup you might drink tea or coffee from. Instead, it is a specific measuring tool designed to hold an exact amount, usually 8 fluid ounces in the US system, or about 237 milliliters. Measuring ingredients accurately is crucial in cooking and baking. The phrase, measure with a cup, implies not just the action of filling a cup but doing so with precision. For dry ingredients, like flour or sugar, this often means filling the cup and leveling off the top for an exact measure. For liquids, it means filling the cup to the designated line without going over. This precision ensures that recipes turn out as intended, highlighting the importance of using the right tools and techniques when cooking. It's fascinating to note that the size of a standard measuring cup can vary by country. For example, in the United States, a standard cup measures 8 ounces. However, in countries like Australia, a cup is typically 250 milliliters, and in the United Kingdom, it's often not used as a standard measure at all, with recipes favoring weight measurements instead. This variation underscores the importance of knowing the origin of your recipe and ensuring you're using the right size cup for accurate measurements. To get the best results when you measure with a cup, here are a few tips. Use the right type of cup for the ingredient you're measuring. Dry versus liquid measuring cups. For dry ingredients, scoop and sweep. Scoop the ingredient into the cup and sweep a straight edge over the top to level it. For liquids, pour into the cup at eye level to ensure the measurement line is accurately met. Consider investing in a set of measuring cups to ensure you have all the necessary sizes for different ingredients. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to measure with a cup, and why it's such a crucial part of cooking and baking, especially in English-speaking countries. Remember, precision in measurement can make or break a recipe, so taking the time to measure accurately is always worth the effort. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.